I've been running through the flames, chasing dreams without a name. Now the fire turns me still to see the truth beneath my will. Reflections of fire, the spark remains burning through the shifting shades. I find myself where silence grows. In the embers light, my spirit knows. Every storm I tried to leave taught me what my heart might need. And slowing down, I start to see the freedom that was meant for me. Through quiet winds, the ashes glow. A brighter way begins to show. I'm learning strength and letting go, becoming who I've longed to know. Reflections of fire.